Mabuhay! I'm Joselito Asim from the Philippines. I currently hold the position of Education Program Specialist 2 at the Central Office of the Department of Education. Most people believe that dreams make life worth living.